Today in the news, Texas doesn't report COVID-19 case count amid systems upgrade, and the Blue Lives Matter protest disrupts a black church service on Sunday, and the Dallas's hospital capacity report. Today is August 5th, 2020, and this is Dallas Weekly News. Hello, I'm your host, Patrick Washington, and this is Dallas Weekly News. Texas did not report daily counts of COVID-19 cases nor fatalities Sunday as health officials worked to upgrade the electronic system they use to process lab reports. The Texas Department of State Health Services said the Sunday counts will be published Monday after the scheduled upgrade is completed. On Saturday, the department reported 9,539 new cases of COVID-19 and another 268 deaths linked to the disease caused by the novel coronavirus. That brought the state to 430,485 confirmed cases and 6,837 fatalities. The true number of cases in Texas is likely to be higher because many people have not been tested, and studies suggest people can be infected and not feel sick. For most people, the coronavirus causes mild or moderate symptoms such as fever and cough that clear up in 2 to 3 weeks. For some, especially older adults and people with existing health problems, it can cause more severe illness, including pneumonia and death. The vast majority of people do recover. Blue Lives Matter protesters seized upon Friendship West Baptist Church in Oak Cliff Sunday, unbeknownst to church leadership. Pastor Freddie Haynes has issued several statements about the incident, which can be found on social media. The incident is being treated as a mistake by Blue Lives Matter protest leaders, although Confederate flags and pro-Trump banners were displayed on the vehicles in the protest caravan. Fear-mongering tactics have been used to intimidate African American communities historically, and church members expressed a frightening similarity to the tactics of Klan groups during the time of Jim Crow and the Civil Rights Movement. As Black Lives Matter groups continue to protest police brutality and systematic racism in the United States, anti-Black sentiment and activity has increased. Friendship West has displayed a prominent Black Lives Matter banner on the church walls facing the highway, which in some members' opinion is the reason why the caravan decided to stop in their parking lot. We'd like to acknowledge our sponsor today, James Washington, former publisher and author of Spiritually Speaking. James Washington compiled his spiritual column, which is syndicated around the country, into a book of thoughts on the journey of spirituality through the Christian faith. The book is available now on Amazon.com. And now the City of Dallas's hospital capacity report. This has been Dallas Weekly News. I am your host, Patrick Washington. You can find these and more stories on dallasweekly.com, and of course follow us on social media on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And if you can, please stay home, stay safe, and we will see you again tomorrow.